Funny.
Smooch. Oscar's a bird. Oh, yeah.
Oscar's a birdie. That's right.
What's a birdie?
What's a birdie? Good birdie.
What's a birdie?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, Oscar. Happy bird. Oscar, happy bird.
Oscar, happy. Oh, good. That makes me feel so good. Oscar's happy bird.
What's a raspberry?
What's a raspberry?
Excuse me.
Oh, good. Raspberry. That's a good raspberry, Oscar. You know your raspberry, buddy. Yeah.
Oscar.
Ooh.
Oscar, what's a duck? Quack, quack, quack.
That's a good duck.
That's a birdie. What's a birdie?
Mm-hmm.
What's a birdie?
What's a chicken?
What's a birdie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's a chicken?
Yeah.
What's a chicken, Oscar?
What's an owl?
Well, that's a chicken. You're playing games with me. Yes, you are. Oh. Well, kiss? Thank you. That's a nice kiss, Oscar.
Good, Oscar. I
Yeah.
love you.
I love you.
Can I have a smooch?
Ooh, nice smooch.
Can I have a smooch?
Nice smooch, Oscar. You're funny.
Hi.
You're a funny, smart bird. Oscar, are you a smart bird?
Oscar, what wrong?
You're a chatterbox. That's for sure. Oscar's a chatterbox.
What's a whisper?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Oscar's good.
Yeah.
Okay, Oscar.
Hey, Oscar, what's a monkey?
Monkey.
Monkey. Hmm? What's a monkey?
Good monkey.
Oscar, good job, Oscar.
You're such a good boy, Oscar.
You are a good boy.
Smooch.
Yeah. You are. You're my little little bird. That's for sure.
Okay.
Now I can only help you do the dishes. No, huh?
Oscar, whoa, whoa.
Oscar, whoa, whoa. Okay. Oscar, whoa, whoa. Here's a whoa, whoa for Oscar. Here you go. Oscar, whoa, whoa. Here you go. Yummy whoa, whoa for Oscar. Mm-hmm. You like your whoa-whoas, don't you? You too.
You dropped it?
Did you drop it? Did you drop your whoa-whoa? Whoa, 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 whoa? What's Oscar want? What's Oscar want? Hmm?
What's Oscar?
What's Oscar want? Hmm?
Oscar want a Nutriberry?
Oscar want a Nutriberry? Okay.
Where's Oscar?
No, we're not going to play that game. I know where that leads. You've had all your super treats today. Yes, you have. So, oh, that means you're going to drop this, aren't you? You asked me for a Nutriberry, but you said, where's Oscar? So that means you really want an almond or pecan. So when I give you your Nutriberry, you won't even take it, or you'll drop it. I think you're going to drop it. Look at that. Look at that, you silly boy. You were trying to trick me. You didn't want a Nutriberry.
Oscar want, oh, whoa, whoa, or blueberry? What's Oscar want?
all the fun. Alrighty. I know. We'll play the word.
Where's Oscar?
Yeah, hold on.
Oscar, you married?
It's not what you want. I know it isn't. Okay, I'm ready. Oscar. Where's Oscar? Where's Oscar? Where's Oscar? Here I am. Here you go. And this is what you get when you're doing good. Here I am. Yeah. You didn't want a Nutriberry. Drop your whoa. I think you'll be quiet for a while now, Oscar. Are you done with your almond? You finally done with your almond now?
Oscar, Nutriberry? Oscar, Nutriberry?
Or you demand something else, huh?
Where's Oscar? Here I am.
Yeah, that trick only works so many times in a day. You can't have unlimited almonds or pecans. Your favorites, I know. You know. Did you poop? Did you do that? Well, good for you.
Oscar, Nutriberry?
Well, I'll give you a Nutriberry. We'll see if you. Ooh, it's 9 o'clock, Oscar. Wow. It's time to go night-night.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you ready to go night-night? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go night-night. Yep. That was line. Go night-night. Yeah, night-night stretch. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You get a night-night stretch. Okay. Turn off the light.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. All right. Is that all right? Okay, Oscar, what? Night-night stretch. Okay. Yeah. Where do you want it? Want to show me where? Mm-hmm. Right there? Okay. Yeah. Right there. Right there. Right there. Nice night-night stretch for Oscar. I love you, buddy. So do. Ooh. Okay. Want some more stretch? Show me where. You want it right there? Super stretch. Now we're going for super stretch, huh? Yeah. Well, you let me know when you're. What are you going to step up? Get a smooch? Oh, can I have a smooch? Oh, I love you, Oscar. Yes, I do. Mm-hmm. Now, how about, okay, so you stepped up. Now, how about unstepping up? Can I have my finger back? Can I have my finger back? Oscar, can I have my finger back? Here, you step here, okay? There we go. Okay. All right, more stretch. Want to keep my finger, huh? You know what? I like to keep my finger. Plus, I think it's a little safer with me. Yeah, me too. Okay. Night-night. Night-night swoosh. Night-night swoosh. Okay, Oscar. Night-night. See you tomorrow. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Good boy.
Fresh water.
Okay, I'll check your water. I gave you fresh water not so long ago.
Oscar.
I'll double check it. It's fresh, Oscar. But your carrots are done, and you got lots of crackers here, okay? And fresh water. Okay.
Fresh water.
You have fresh water. I can assure you. I personally inspect. No. You've had your bitter berries, you've had your Whoa-who's, you've had your
Oscar, fresh water. Okay.
I promise, Oscar. I promise your water is fresh water. I promise you have fresh water.
Okay.
Okay. Night night. I love you, Oscar.
Can I switch?
Oh, blow me a kiss. Blow me a kiss. Oh, thank you. Okay. Night night. See you tomorrow.